Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2016 Harley-Davidson Tri-Glide Ultra Classic. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2016 Harley-Davidson Tri-Glide Ultra Classic with 16,241 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with cruise control, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, reverse, and navigation. It's been upgraded with a chrome rear bumper, a Harley-Davidson windshield and windshield trim, and Harley-Davidson grips. Powered by a 103 cubic inch V-twin engine, the Tri-Glide puts 101 foot-pounds of low-end torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 6-gallon fuel tank, the Tri-Glide has a 200 to 230 mile range. It has a 28.3 inch seat height and a 1,235 pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 330 seconds, and both rear tires are at 730 seconds. We took this trike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this trike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this trike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a paint chip on the left rear fender and blemishes on the side cover. This trike has a toolkit, 2 keys, and 2 fobs. It has a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This trike comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.